What if you could build a stream of income that pays you while you sleep, walk the dog, or even travel? Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing new payments waiting for you without working an extra shift the night before. It's not a dream. Thousands of people are doing it right now in 2025. Most don't have a big following, a fancy website, or a team. Many started small. And that's exactly how you start too. In this video, I'll show you 5 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. Each one is based on real people, real workflows, and repeatable steps you can copy today. You won't hear hype. You'll get a simple plan you can execute even if you're starting from zero. Welcome to Invisible Income, the channel for smart, simple income ideas that don't require you to be on camera or quit your job. If you want realistic strategies, not recycled fluff, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Meet Sarah. She's 24, a student in Portugal, juggling classes, a part-time job, and deadlines that always seem to arrive faster than she expected. One rainy afternoon, after missing yet another assignment, she opened Canva and created a clean weekly planner for herself. Then she asked an AI assistant to generate short prompts. Things like, what's the single most important task this week? And what would success look like by Friday? In under 2 hours, she had a planner that actually kept her on track. It was simple. Weekly blocks, a focus line for each day, and 3 gentle prompts at the bottom to reflect on what worked and what didn't. Weeks later, she saw a conversation online about selling digital downloads. She uploaded her planner as a PDF to a creator marketplace, set the price at €9, and wrote a short, honest description. She built it to stop missing deadlines, and it worked. She shared the link once inside a relevant productivity community. In the first 48 hours, she made 27 sales. 3 months later, she was earning over €800 per month from a file she created in an afternoon. She hasn't touched the product since except to update the cover once. That's the magic of digital products. You create once, and software delivers it over and over. Why did this work? She didn't chase a trend. She solved her own problem, packaged the solution neatly, and put it where people with the same problem already spend time. No ads, no complex funnel, no perfect branding, just genuine usefulness. If you want to replicate Sarah's approach, start by listing 3 problems you've solved for yourself in the last 6 months. Maybe it's a budgeting sheet that finally makes sense, a weekly meal plan that saves you time, or a project checklist that keeps side gigs on track. Turn the simplest one into a clean template. Add a 1-page, how to use this sheet. Publish it. Ask 2 friends to try it and give feedback. Then share it once in a relevant community with a short, helpful headline. Keep it human. Simple wins. Now let's talk about recurring affiliate income, the kind that arrives each month without you constantly pushing for sales. Marcus is a full-time high school teacher. He didn't set out to build an online business. He just liked sharing the tools that saved him time at work. He began posting quick tutorials showing how he drafts parent emails faster, outlines lesson plans, and turns notes into slides. When he discovered that many tools offer affiliate programs with recurring commissions, he added his links with a transparent disclosure. His videos weren't flashy, they were practical and specific. Here's what matters. Marcus doesn't shill, he teaches. Each video shows a tiny, specific outcome. How I wrote tomorrow's class email in 2 minutes, or how I pulled 3 lesson ideas from a single paragraph. He uses screen recordings only. No camera, no face, no complicated editing. He sticks to tools he actually uses. He always discloses that links may be affiliate links, and he focuses on one use case per piece of content so viewers immediately understand the value. After a few months, those small tutorials added up to more than €1,200 per month in recurring commissions. A handful of genuinely helped viewers became long-term users, and the commissions followed. Could you do the same? Start by listing the software you already use weekly. Pick one tool, record a 6-minute tutorial solving one tiny problem, publish it with a short description. Repeat every week for a month. Track which post gets the most clicks and double down on that use case. Trust beats hype every time. If you like the idea of anonymous content, the third method will feel natural. Faceless YouTube channels. Alex grew up obsessed with the night sky, but he hates being on camera. He started a channel called Space Bits, focused on short educational videos about planets, black holes, and strange signals from deep space. He didn't film anything himself. He curated stock footage and public domain imagery, wrote tight scripts using an AI assistant, and generated narration with a realistic voice model. He added clear on-screen text for key facts and simple sound design. Within a year, he passed 70,000 subscribers. Where did the income come from? 3 places. First, ads. Nothing fancy, just steady views on evergreen topics. Second, affiliate links to beginner telescopes and astronomy books. Third, a small digital product, a Notion template to log stargazing sessions. None of these required his face. All of them grew because he published on a schedule. His advice is simple. Don't try to go viral. Build a library that compounds. Pick one theme, write 20 short scripts, and publish the first 10 over 5 weeks. The algorithm learns who your audience is, and your audience learns that you show up. Within 6 weeks, 90 students enrolled and left practical reviews. The reply template saved me yesterday. The escalation script removed the stress. The tone adjustments are gold. Jenny didn't market aggressively. She simply posted the course where her peers spend time. Her monthly income settled around 1,000 euros, small but meaningful, and the course kept selling while she worked her normal job. What made Jenny's course work? Specificity. She didn't try to cover everything AI. She taught 5 real scenarios she handles daily, replying to a frustrated customer, summarizing a long thread, escalating a ticket professionally, turning bullets into a clear email, and setting a friendly but firm boundary. Each lesson ended with copy and paste prompts to get students results immediately. If you want to try this, think about the 5 tasks you repeat most at work. Turn them into modules with 1 promise per lesson and a quick win at the end. Keep production simple, clear beats, slick. Finally, digital real estate, buying and improving online assets. David spent 3 evenings browsing a marketplace for neglected websites. He spotted a fitness blog with decent search traffic, but it was slow, ugly, and poorly monetized. He bought it for 300 euros. His first move wasn't to publish more content, it was to improve what existed. He installed a clean theme, fixed basic performance issues, and updated the top 5 articles with clearer intros, better structure, and helpful internal links. He added a Start Here page so new readers didn't get lost. Then he identified 2 posts that naturally recommended simple home workout gear and added context-friendly product links. Within a month, the site stopped bleeding visitors. Average time on page went up. A trickle of affiliate clicks appeared. He added lightweight display ads. 4 months after buying, he sold the site for 2,800 euros. The buyer kept the site, the readers kept finding useful posts, and David moved on to the next small project. Not every site will flip that cleanly, but the pattern is repeatable. Buy something neglected, fix fundamentals, monetize gently, document results, and sell when the numbers make sense. This method isn't about luck, it's about spotting underused potential. Old content that could rank higher with better structure, pages that are nothing but could recommend a relevant product, or a site that loads slowly and turns readers away. If you can improve those basics, you can create value quickly. Start small. Look for sites with at least a few months of traffic history, real content written in normal language, and obvious room for improvement. Avoid anything that relies on paid traffic, gimmicks, or secrets you can't verify. Let's take a breath and put this together. You've seen 5 approaches that work in 2025. Sell a simple digital product, earn recurring affiliate income by teaching what you already use, build a faceless channel that compounds over time, package your expertise into a micro course, or buy and improve a small website to flip or keep. You only need one to start. The fastest path is almost always the one that fits your existing skills and interests. So here's a practical plan for the next 7 days. Day 1. Pick your path: product, affiliates, channel, course, or website. Day 2. Write a 1-paragraph promise for your idea. 1 problem, 1 solution, 1 outcome. Day 3. Outline the bare minimum deliverable. If it's a product, it might be a 4-page template. If it's affiliates, a 6-minute tutorial. If it's a channel, a script for a 2-minute video. If it's a course, 5 bullet points that become modules. If it's a website, a checklist of improvements to the top 5 posts. Day 4. Build the first version. Simple and done. Day 5. Publish. Day 6. Ask for feedback from 2 people who actually need it. Day 7. Improve one thing and publish again. That cadence builds momentum quickly. A quick word about mindset. Passive income isn't magic. At the beginning, it's front-loaded work that pays you later. The reason it feels passive is because you separate creation from delivery. You create once, and software delivers it again and again. That separation is where the leverage lives. If you commit to one small action each week for the next 8 weeks, you'll build momentum most people never reach because they keep starting over. Don't restart. Iterate. Before we wrap, consider which approach matches your season of life. If you're busy and want a fast win, a tiny digital product is hard to beat. If you enjoy explaining tools, recurring affiliates make sense. If you love research and visuals, a Faceless channel fits. If you're already solving problems at work, a micro course is a natural extension. And if you like tinkering and systems, digital real estate might be your playground. There's no perfect choice. There's only the choice you'll stick with long enough to see results. All right. Quick recap. 1. Solve a real problem and package it simply. 2. Teach a tiny outcome and earn recurring affiliate income with tools you actually use. 3. Publish Faceless videos consistently and let a library compound. 4. Turn your existing workflows into a practical micro course. 5. Buy an underused website, improve the fundamentals, and either flip it or keep the income. Pick one path. Start this week. Measure progress and output, not just ideas. Grab the $7 starter kit, scripts plus tracker for your first sale, link in the first comment. Now it's your turn. Which path will you start with? Tell me in the comments. I read everyone. And if you want a deeper breakdown, subscribe and watch the next video where I show you exactly how Marcus made his first €500 using AI and affiliate marketing, step by step. See you there.